There are four types of opening games in chess. Okay, what I'm about to tell you is a framework of how you can start thinking about the various openings in chess. The four types are essentially open games, semi-open games, closed games, and semi-closed games. So pretty much every opening that's there out there in a chess, the volumes of encyclopedia of chess opening, all put together, compressed, can be classified into these four opening game types. Okay, so what is open game? Any game that starts with e4 and e5 is an open game. Typically, it's classified by the position becoming extremely open with a lot of exchanges and a lot of attacking lines. The second type of opening, which is semi-open games, essentially happens when black decides to respond to white's e4 with any other move other than e5. So essentially French, Sicilian, Caro-Kann, Alekhine, all of this kind of fall under semi-open games. So what is a closed game? A closed game is nothing but when black starts off with d4, which with any of the white starts with d4, and pretty much any of the responses that black has, they're all together classified as closed games. And finally, coming to semi-closed games, any opening that white begins, which is neither e4 nor d4, but pretty much anything else. The Larsen attack, which is b3, or Reti, which is an f3, or English, which is c4. Any of this would be classified as semi-closed. Now, why do we need these opening types? One, it gives you a very good idea of what to expect out of the game. What is the variety that you're choosing? e4, e5 leads to open position exchanges, typically very well suited for beginners. Closed games leads to complicated tactics, complicated positions, not many exchanges, lot of sieges. So extremely useful for players at a higher level. I hope that's useful for you, and we'll have many more such videos. If you're interested to follow and learn more about chess and thinking in general, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.